Hello and welcome to Victory Bible Church tutorial. This is a video to teach you how to use the Victory Bible Church application. This software application is basically for inputting data, processing it, and outputting church-based information. First of all, the first thing I'll do is when you open the software, this is what appears, and this is the administrative login. The first thing you type in your username. For this one, I use the sample username Elikem, and the password is pass, PASS. Then you authenticate. When you authenticate, it opens up the software for you to see. On the right hand side, on the top right, you find your username. On the menu bar, you find connect, you find file. Under file, you see quit. This is used to terminate the application. Under official, you find confidential. This is used to activate this tab here. Under help, you find how do I, which is basically to show you about the documentation of the application. About us shows you information about the developers of the application. The website takes you straight to the website of the church. In this case, there is none. The first thing you'll notice on the left hand side is the preview pane. Here we have the preview of the information of a member. The first one is a member ID, first name, middle name, surname, gender, and so forth, and so on and so forth. On this tab, you find the listing. This corresponds to the names that will be displayed here. If you click the first one, it displays the information that corresponds to it on the left hand side. You click the second one, the third one, different messages you want to. You can either update, clear, delete, or add a new member. Or you can go to the first, the last, the previous, the next, and so on and so forth. In this case, I want us to add a new member. Okay. I type in the names. I have finally updated or added a new information about a member. To add the member to this one, we click on add member. You notice a pop-up message comes on. Emmanuel Akosia Jemfi is now a member of Victory Bible Church. You'll agree with me that Akosia cannot be a name of a male, because here we find a male there. So when I click on OK and I refresh, it adds it up to the members. Now, for us to change this identity, what I have to do is to click on this one, then go back here and change it to Kwesi. Then instead of me adding a member, I rather update it. When I update it and I refresh, it changes everything. Everything here changes because they all have the same serial number. This is just a test. This is what happens when multiple members have the same serial numbers. This is happening because this is just a test number, and it will change during the normal application. You can clear information to just to add newer informations. The next tab we'll go to is the output tab. This is where you document, or the church documents, all his things. We come to the membership letter. When you admit a member, or you receive a member into your church and you want to deliver a membership letter, you click on this button and it generates a template for you to edit. When you're done, the template comes on and you can edit it, or you can input any information that your church so desires. Another one I'm going to look at is a letter of transfer. When you click on it, it opens the document of the letter of transfer. We have the monthly income report, and this is where you document everything about your income report, and so on and so forth. Okay, now we go back to the listing and let's test how to use the search button. For example, if I want to look for someone called Apia, I just type in the name Apia, and under here Apia is a surname, so I click on surname. What this means is search for Apia in surname, and I click on search. It gives me James Kwesi Apia. So he is the only one that has the name Apia currently on our database. Okay, we move on to the third one. I'm trying to click on it right now, but it's not clicking. It's not activated. To activate this, you come to official and confidential. When I click on it now, I'm able to open the confidential tab. And under the confidential tab, this is the fully detailed information about a member. We have the full name, middle name, surname, relationship status, occupation, and so on and so forth. We have the official profile, the department he is in, whether it's in the music department, and what position he holds, or what group he or she is in, whether women's fellowship, men's fellowship, and the position he or she holds. Financial profile, you have the tithe, the date the person paid the tithe, the amount, and the status of the payment, whether paid, not paid, or yet to be paid. You can add a member from here as well. All the functions you find here can also be done directly from here as well. So let's say you want to get up and excuse yourself. The advisable thing for you to do is for you to always log out, so that when you're coming back, you retype your username and type in your password, in which case is PASS, pass. I authenticated and I'm back to where I stopped. Thank you so much for watching.